It's an absolute pleasure and proud for me that today we have author of this book, English for All, Mr. Venkatramana with us, and also we have Mr. Ramchandra Rao with us. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And since you are already associated with so many social activities and you are also influencing so many students, so how do you see the importance of English communication skills?
In fact, communication is nowadays this is a order of the day and requirement of the day. People in any job or in any profession, the main skill is the communication. And today, English being international language, though we respect our mother tongue and the national language, and we love to have a vernacular language in the proceedings and all, but English is as necessary as our mother tongue and national language, because there is a lot of movement across the world nowadays. And skill of communication is required by every person, because now there is a lot of interaction between the people of one community to another community, one state to another state, one country to another country. So therefore, what we would like to express should be expressed in a proper manner, and for that language is very much important. And apart from that, English language is very much important, because English is such a language, though we may treat it as a foreign language in our country, it may be an emotional issue, but when you speak practically, English becomes very important. It is language in the courts, it is language in colleges, it is language in education. So therefore, even the new education policy, though it stresses on the local language, the mother tongue and other languages, but at the same time, English is not ignored even in the new education policy. So I think a simple English is very much required for communication. Today, the communication is through words, verbal communication. So therefore, I think English is a must nowadays. Even if you go to rural side also in the country, people speak very good English and they are able to communicate because of so many so many platforms by which they are able to learn this language. So therefore, I think the art of communication is very much necessary, and for that, art of English speaking in a simple manner is also required. So therefore, I think the art of communication, for that we need simple English language, and I think Mr. Buri Venkatramana has brought out this book, which will improve our knowledge on simple words of English and their meaning and their usages whenever we want to like to communicate.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. As you rightly said that vernacular is no doubt is very important, but English language has become a synonym for the corporate language. So it is also a synonym of the interview language sort of. So as you know, sir, the country is going through a very tough time. In fact, the world is going through a very tough time. And there are a lot of people, those who have lost their jobs in this COVID era. Now, post-COVID era, how do you see the job market and how do you see, once again, the importance of English communication skills?
In fact, the COVID situation has pushed the country very backward. When the country was in the moving direction, developing direction, and almost our economic reforms were paying off, and the world, when it was facing economic recession, India was able to face the challenge, and we have in fact fought the recession, and the recession we controlled it in our country, and there were investments in our country, there were good market conditions in the country, share prices were going up, and there were a lot of jobs in the market. And in this background, when this pandemic situation came, I think many people have lost their jobs. Only I think 20 to 30% are doing the regular jobs and that to work from home. So it has pushed our country very backward, and it will take a lot of time for us to recover again. But we are sure Indians have got that ability to recover soon from whatever calamity they face. And this situation also, tomorrow it is going to create a lot of opportunities for the people. Firstly, I can tell that in the field of IT, where earlier we were dependent on foreign firms, on many apps, like Chinese firms, we have nearly banned nearly 59, and subsequently some other were banned. More than 70 to 80 apps are banned. And now this particular market will be taken up by the Indian IT technocrats. So therefore, the IT market will definitely have a very good future in this country after the pandemic situation is over, and a lot of jobs for IT professionals will be created. One. Secondly, marketing the related issues for it. And then thirdly, these companies has to be established in some other part of the country. So therefore, the building activities, the other activities, related activities definitely increase. Then you have the education now, which has been taken a backseat. Almost zero academic year is there. Now once we open up, the education field also will improve, because a lot of people in this period, they will try to learn more and more things, and they will try to go for new ventures, new avenues, job avenues. So therefore, the competition will increase, and that competition will create a lot of education centers, quick learning systems, and also a lot of opportunities outside the country and inside the country. Then thirdly, we are going to know, because as Atmanirbhar Bharat is there, vocal on local and vocal on local. Both these issues, Atmanirbhar Bharat is going to create local markets, local products has to be produced, and therefore there will be a lot of opportunity for the people. There is a saying that if you want to go move forward, you have to take one step backward. Because tiger, when it leaps, it takes 2 steps back, and then it leaps forward. So therefore we are now in a back step. Definitely India is going to leap further. A lot of countries who are invested in China now wants to invest in India because of the good weather condition, with a good market condition, good facilities. Now India has got a lot of infrastructure. What all were there in the SEZ of China? Now I think India is trying to provide it, and definitely there is a lot of opportunity for the people. Nothing to be disturbed, and one need not be discouraged by this present situation. Future is very good for India. India will have a good market. So therefore, and we must understand that even at this pandemic situation, India was able to sustain the challenges which was posed by this pandemic situation. So I think definitely there will be a good future for us. India will see bright future in this, and a lot of activity even started now. MSMEs are being recovered, now recovery is there. Banks recovery is also started. So a lot of the GST has now, collection was more than nearly 70 to 80% in February, since February. So I think we have a very good future. Once the situation is over, people will work hard now, because what they have lost now, they will try to earn it, and for that hard working is required. So this situation has made people to work hard, and because such type of situation they have faced, the saving mentality of people will also increase. So therefore the banks will also grow, banking system will also grow. All this is a cycle, and I think this will definitely pay off to us. It has caused loss to us, but this loss will be regained and made into profit in the near future.
Thank you so much, sir, for these kind words and encouraging words. And I am sure that once this COVID era is done, and we'll have so many different opportunities even after having adversities in the past. So thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. And ladies and gentlemen, those who are watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, I would highly recommend this particular book, because you will get your vocabulary, you will get your grammar, everything done, not only the meanings but the usage also you will get. And that too, Mr. Venkatramana has made it very, very simple and easy to understand. Anybody can use this book, whether you are a student or a housewife, or you are a business owner, or if you are in any other profession. So congratulations, Venkatramana Garu, for this launch of this book. This is available on Amazon. You can just hit the link below and you can go ahead and buy this book. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. Thanks a lot.